The worst drawdown on record for bonds. Really? Coming up here in the jog. Hi folks, Alex Klingelhoeffer here with Exencial Wealth Advisors. It is 7:59 here in the middle part of the country on Wednesday. It is March 23rd. Here's your morning jog around the economic headlines of the world. And it is official. The Barclays Aggregate Bond Index now down more than it ever has been, down 11% since its high in January, and about 2.9 trillion of value destroyed in the fixed income market. Now, why is this important? Of course, we normally talk about stocks, growth assets, but we also talk about having some safe haven assets in your portfolio to help hedge against your overall stock growth. If you have safe haven assets that are now falling more than your high growth, high quality assets, that's not a good thing. This is one of the reasons why our investing strategy has always been to stay on the shorter end of the curve, right? Let's not go and reach for yield at the back end of the curve. Let's go ahead and have some notes like tips that protect against inflation, that being the major cause of this sell-off in bonds. Let's always have diversified portfolio of our safe haven assets so that no matter what conditions we are in, we always have great access to liquidity in good markets and bad. Overall, if you just have a portfolio constructed from the S&P 500 and the Barclays Ag, you're probably feeling it here this quarter. Not so good on a go-forward basis. Buttigieg announcing a $2.9 billion infrastructure grant program. Looks like it's going to be coming out this fall. Applications due in May to help relieve some supply chain bottlenecks, some port congestion, etc. Of course, it's part of the $1 trillion stimulus package passed earlier this year. Let's get some shovels in the ground, right? I think that's always sort of a popular political proposition. Say that 3 times fast. Moving forward and helping the economy overall. Surprisingly fast action from the government. Kudos. Last but not least, before we get you off to a nice Wednesday, Adidas launching a new program that will allow virtually every athlete at an Adidas sponsored school, more than 50,000 of them, to become a spokesperson for Adidas. Really taking the NIL, right, the name, image, and likeness deal to a whole new level. Adidas saying, you get to be an influencer, you get to be an influencer, you get to be an influencer. And just seeing what happens, right? Opening that field, opening that opportunity for everyone. I think really, really cool move by the program. They're going to launch in Power 5 and HBCUs this fall, eventually roll it out to a number of other programs. If you want some additional information throughout the week, feel free to find me on the internet. I am out there. Until then, I hope you have a really good rest of your Wednesday morning. I am out.